What's the meaning of America the Beautiful? America the Beautiful. America the Beautiful. America the Beautiful. America the Beautiful. America the Beautiful.
America the Beautiful is a patriotic hymn that celebrates the natural beauty of the United States, along with its history and people. The lyrics were written by Catherine Lee Bates in 1893, and the song has since become an enduring symbol of American pride and national identity. The song's imagery encompasses everything from amber waves of grain to purple mountains' majesty, evoking a sense of awe and gratitude for the vast, diverse, and majestic landscape that makes up our nation. Ultimately, America the Beautiful is a tribute to the beauty and spirit of America itself.